Jai Shri Ram. On our morning walk today, I would like every young person to ask people of other dharmas other than Hindu a simple question. If your holy book is teaching you bigotry, bigotry, intolerance, proselytization, proselytization, converting others, bigotry, proselytization, lechery, butchery, treachery. Lechery ante uncontrolled sexual desire. Butchery, killing the infidel. INFIDEL. Infidel ante mana matanni nammani vaadu, unbeliever. So if your holy book is teaching you bigotry, proselytization, lechery, butchery, treachery and absurdity, illogical, irrational, అతర్కబద్ధం, తర్కము లేదు, ఇలాంటివన్నీ ఎందుకురా నమ్ముతున్నారు మీరు? హిందువులు కూడా ఆలోచించుకోండి, భగవద్గీత చదవండి అండ్ సే జై శ్రీ